Hi everybody, we just checked into the Tropcana. We are staying in the Chelsea Tower, room 1803. Tropcana Casino opened November 1981. It houses the largest showroom in Atlantic City and the only IMAX theater in the city's first comedy club. The Tropcana is one hotel with 6 towers: North, South, West, Havana, and Chelsea. Chelsea Tower is where we are staying this visit, home of Gilchrist Restaurant. They are famous for their blueberry pancakes. There's also another Gilchrist at Gardener's Basin, which you can take a jitney to. Now the jitney is the city's little bus that they have. It's $3 a person, and it does run 24 hours. Here's the view out the other window. We have, this here is all of the Tropcana, the other properties, the other towers. So when you do come into the airport, they do have a cab stand. It's $40 up to 4 people. You can take a Lyft or Uber, but then once you get in the city, you can take the jitney, which is very convenient. We are staying in the Chelsea Tower, and after you walk on the Sky Bridge, you take the escalator down, and this is your view you'll get looking into the casino. So we're going to go downstairs and see what else we can get into with the decorations. We are downstairs now. I just took an aerial view of this beautiful tree. We're going to go downstairs. I'll show you where you check in. From the main floor casino, you have to go down these escalators to get to the check-in area. When you first come down, there is bell services, which is right here. Then you walk over. And if you prefer, they do have check-in machines, so you don't have to stand in line. If you already made a reservation, just come right here, and it's real quick. Sometimes the line to check in here is really long. Okay, and as you can see, there's a whole big lineup of machines. And this area here is where you do check-in. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, so people are really not checking in or checking out yet. Checkout is at 11. We're going down the stairs right now to go to the marketplace. Okay, when you first come down, Cash to Go-Go is here. And then we have Santa on the They do have the Hooters here. We've been here a lot because they do stay open late. They do have great wings. Now, as you come around the corner, this is a door to get out into the boardwalk, or if you were going to the beach in the summer. And this is the tequila bar. Oh, this looks good.
Creeps. That's how they are together. Oh my god. Oh, no wonder. Pancake grande. No wonder. Alright. We'll just go have one of everybody
A farm fresh breakfast served until noon. So if you pay with cash, you save money.
Do you guys toast your bagels or no? Oh, I gotta order that.
A lot of pastries. The next one is Tony Luke's. There's Haagen-Dazs. In the corner over there, there's a Starbucks. And then we have the Firewater Saloon. Hello, beer. This is a country bar. Look at the cheers. That's funny. Here's the stage area. Random cowboy. Okay, we're gonna walk out of this bar. And up here we have saltwater taffy and a damn good deli. Here's the inside of the bar again. Okay, here is the deli. So this is the grab and go. And here's the candy store. Saltwater taffy, homemade fudge. Now we're coming back into where the casino area is.